Stop using your binder wrong.
Most folks brush on mustard or oil just to make the rub stick.
But what if that first layer actually built flavor?
That's my flavor lock method. It locks down the rub, tightens the skin, and starts building bold flavor before the chicken even hits the grill. Let's dive in. Here's what goes in the flavor lock binder. Italian dressing for tang, mayo for richness and cling, mustard for a little bite, a splash of Worcestershire for savory, and lime zest to wake it all up. Whisk it smooth, not runny or gloopy, just thick enough to hang on. Start with getting some of this binder up under the skin. Don't be afraid, get dirty. Reach up in there, spread it all around. Brush on a thin coat all over, don't drown it. It helps the rub stick, tightens the skin, and starts building flavor before the chicken even hits the grill. Once the binder's on, set the chicken's skin side up on a rack and slide it in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes uncovered. Okay, for the rub, I'm going 2 tablespoons of my favorite SPG rub. You'll see the recipe in the description. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon onion powder, oregano, cayenne, and brown sugar for browning and a little balance. Season this heavy, hit both sides and work some under the skin where you can. Then let it sit out about 15 minutes. That sets the rub and takes the chill off so it cooks even once it hits the grill. After the binder and rub are set, I'm starting these chicken halves skin side up on the cool side of the pit. About 10 minutes just to let that binder and seasoning lock in before we get to grilling. From there, I'll move them right over the coals. This is where we start cooking for real. I'm flipping about every 10 minutes, just working that color and building layers of flavor. Every now and then I'll slide them back over to the cool side. That lets the fat keep rendering without burning the outside. Then it's right back over the fire, turn in every 10 minutes, keeping things moving until they're done. Okay, for temps, I'm looking for 155 to 160 in the breast, 170 to 175 in the thigh. Okay, to finish this off, we're going skin side down right over the coals. Just a couple of minutes to crisp it up and lock in that rub. You're looking for that golden bite-through skin, not rubbery and not burnt. Once the skin's where you want it, pull the chicken and let it rest. Let that chicken rest about 5 to 10 minutes so the juices settle. And for our last move, right before serving, hit it with fresh lime juice. Half a lime per piece. That citrus cuts through the fat and brightens everything up. Start slicing this up and you've got juicy meat, bold flavor, and skin that actually bites through. Man, this chicken is loaded with juice and flavor. You can see it running the second you slice in. All that seasoning and binder work their way in, and those pan juices just push it over the top. And the best part, you can dress this up for a backyard spread or keep it simple for a weeknight dinner. Either way, it hits.
So if you're still just using mustard on your chicken, it's time to level up. That's the flavor lock method, and I want to know what you'd use this on next. Wings, ribs, pork chops, drop a line in the comments and let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button for more easy to make recipes right at home, because this is just the start. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios.